What is up, Slice Gang? Do your thing, hit that like on the video.
If you guys watch my videos, you're already a part of Slice Gang, but if you want to be a part of Sub Gang, make sure you guys hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. So today we got another subscriber request. This one's in a different language. This is a battle rap, but it's in a different language. And I'm still not quite sure what language this is. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up on the screen for you guys. And I put the link for this video in the bio. Shout out to the following user. I'll put it right here. He asked me to react to this video. I'm gonna go ahead and take a guess right now in German. Just by the way that comment down below what language this is. Hold up. So I see something in the comments says welcome to Russia. We are all happy to see you. So if I had to guess so far, this is Russian.
Ну что, Эдик уже готов к завтрашнему ивенту?
Да, завтра в час встречаемся в Грибыче.
Уже придумал, в чем завтра будешь вести баттлы?
Ну да, в этом.
Что? Ты
So I'm
прикалываешься?
assuming they're
Этим
speaking
шлюхам
Russian?
уже миллион лет, тебе нужна новая одежда.
Но разве это важно? Главное же просто хорошо провести мероприятие, проследить за тем, чтобы все было норм.
I can't
Это
tell
понятно.
at
Но
all
твой
what they're
внешний
saying,
вид
but I'm just
это
gonna
не
watch
менее
it for the
важно.
visuals at this point.
Ведущий, визитная карточка проекта.
That dude
Твой
looks like
взгляд,
he's
твоя
fresh.
подача, то, как ты одет, это составляющие твоей
He's wearing,
уверенности в себе. Поэтому ты
zip-up
должен
looks
выглядеть
pretty
круто.
fresh.
Блин, но у меня сейчас
Wonder if this
нет
dude's gonna be
денег
rapping.
купить нового шматья. Ты же знаешь, YouTube срезает монетизацию с наших роликов.
Тебе нужна совесть. Это беспроцентная карта рассрочки.
Hold on, a
Она
Visa?
позволяет клиентам покупать товары в партнерской сети магазинов в
What is she?
рассрочку на срок до 12 месяцев. Без
I kinda
процентов
like
и
the way she's
переплат.
talking in
Ты
that
можешь
language,
купить
man.
новую одежду сейчас,
I wouldn't mind if
заплатить
she's, you know,
потом.
bitching at me in that
Подвоха нет.
language.
Весь проект зарабатывает не на своих клиентах,
If I
а
can't
на
understand her,
партнеров,
shit, it
которые
just sounds like music to my
совесть и
ears.
привлечение новых покупателей. Можно быть уверенным, что цена неожиданно не изменится на кассе. Вы можете заказать карту совесть бесплатного
Alright.
обслуживания уже сейчас.
I think this guy might
Ссылка
host the
в
battles.
описании.
This dude hosts the battles.
My name is Eric Kingston, and now you watch 1 and 40
Eric
ppm
Kingston?
battle. There are hottest beats, most technical MCs, and remember, no word about
Let's go,
right.
let's go.
Make-
Let's go, Slice Gang!
I present to you our DJ. This is DJ Beardos. Make
Okay, I
some
heard
noise.
English, so Beardus? Oh, it's DJ.
Right MC, introduce yourself.
P-Solja.
P-Solja, L-E-E-D-S, Great Britain, let's go.
Okay, looks like we got P-Solja
AT-Kid.
Окей,
versus...
участник слева, представься.
Шум Дабл М, город Екатеринбург, Russian
is that
Federation Beats!
Перед началом батла я скажу одну вещь. Набирай промокод 140 на сайте спонсоров. Окей, P-Solja, start first. DJ, turn on the beat.
Round one.
Let's go. Big up the bad man, yeah?
Is this crew?
Yo. Think like young and
Oh.
pull out the 9 and bun 'em. Man wanna try to get into the war, I'll sun 'em. Lick 2 beers and stone cold stun 'em. Man's too real on the rhythm. Back out the ting and blow clap fling 'em. If you chat my name on the rhythm, then I'll pan up an 8 bar that will spin 'em. Get kicked down to the down like crawler. Stick to Rizzler, solo a baller. I had to grow with Laura, and she told everyone that the yard got licked. Fuck that shit, I had to deck that bitch.
Damn, this guy's
She
going
didn't
hard.
how
This
a
is
big
real
man
grimy
twitch.
shit.
Who could I never see a big man switch? Ain't HD with Danny, SD and Mitch. We was
This UK?
trying to
Or is this still Russia? I don't know.
Yes. Big up the DJ, let's go. Yeah, St. Petersburg, we inside, yeah?
Guys, I don't even
let's
give a
go,
shit if I
let's
can't
go.
understand what he's saying. The bars still go hard. I got respect for all languages.
Hey.
His flow, body language, aggressiveness.
Let's go. See, I ain't on a pretty boy ting like young'un. Pull out the 9 and bun 'em. Man wanna try jump into the war, I'll sun 'em. Lick 2 beers and stone cold stun 'em. He's too real on the rhythm. Back out the ting and blood clot fling 'em. If you chat my name on the rhythm, then I'll pan up an 8 bar that will spin 'em. Get kicked down to the down like crawler. Stick to Rizzler, solo a baller. I had to grow with Laura, and she told everyone in the yard got licked. Fuck that shit, I had to deck that bitch. She didn't like how a big man switched. You look like how a big man switched. In
Go off.
HP with Danny, SD and Mitch. They was throwing around bad boy whips. I was 13, stood there just like shit. How did he make that Subaru lift? Back end kick. T5 came and it got dicked. It got smacked. Cause we had to hide them feds cause the feds had it.
Hold up, I'm gonna go back a little bit. I think that might have been a beat that I know. Hold up, let me rewind it. Listen to that beat on the background. Bomba clot. He said bomba clot. That's what I'm saying. That's like Jamaican though. Bomba clot.
Эй.
All right. Now it's this
Сейчас
dude's
будет
turn.
для тех, кто не в
Still don't know
курсе,
his
если
name.
что.
Someone translate his name
Что
in
это
English
за
to me
человек?
in the comment section.
Эй. Сегодня в этом зале тот, кто показал нам, как нужно делать баттл на битах. Будто навигатор помогал разобраться, что такое релоуд или crime clash. Это из-за
these guys
него мы
rap
сейчас
quick.
здесь. Вся команда 140, и, конечно. Я взял первый
what the
сезон
fuck
и
am I
поднял
doing like
кэш.
this?
Я благодарен ему. Респект, спасибо. Пусть его недооценивают здесь, в России, но он валит пиздец красиво. Он на своем месте, это место силы. Другие так не могут, они лезут из кожи. Ведь они хотели бы тоже, по факту, денег ему теперь ты должен. Его зовут Рома Дилс. Есть еще P-Solja, третий сортный бомж из UK. Из UK? Что за акцент? Я не понимаю, I don't understand. Все на него похожи, мы взяли только чтобы я будто вырвал из горла у него язык и написал на него свои раунды. И типа почитал на чужом языке. Окей. Welcome to Russia, we all very happy to see you. После подал тебе на ебашем, что ты приехал в Россию. No name, пидор, читаешь как ебаный узбек. Together, Russia and Great Britain.
Okay, he's winning the crowd over at
Кстати,
this point.
знаете рифму на Great Britain? Gay
Everybody
people.
loves
Это
this
вряд ли
guy.
случайность. Ведь ты должен быть рэптер, он также британец. Он заменил динозавра, а их прямые потомки это птицы. Забавно, он тоже мой друг. Сама эволюция нам говорит, что P-Solja петух. Раунд.
Okay, second dude went off out of nowhere. That was pretty surprising. That was unexpected, man. I wasn't expecting that from that guy.
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Yo. Yeah. Like blood clot data, stick to Rizzlers banging the shatter. Dragon Ball Z, I'll flex like Napper.
Okay.
If man ever tries flex on matter, you don't make no peace, you man are gassers. Don't move no way, you man are gassers. I've been cold since back in the days. When I said that, it shut down the blood clot rave. I'll send my back if it comes with haze. Send my back if it ain't on way. Back in the days, rat had 2 trays. Going on bad, man, I miss them days. Going on bad, man, I miss them days. Didn't have haze, man, I had braids. Going on bad, man, I miss them days. What do you know about, man? Never been too cold from day, man, don't know when I let the big thing spray. Link man down in the break, bro, day. Roll up in a black car and I won't say nay. I'll just roll up bad, act up straight like I am your mate. Then I won't let 2 blow in your face. Man, don't watch no straight and I'm straight up, yo. Don't ever chat about weight. Pussy, yo, don't ever chat about weight. Man won't come around, take your weight. You're 2 blood clot bait, I'm too straight. Roll with a gal, 2 blood clot straight, I'm just too weight. Man, don't know about all of the things there, man, I just blow off the thing and I'll take man's weight straight.
Damn, that went off.
Yeah.
This
This is fun, man. I'm having
Alright, he's
fun.
up
Big
again.
up you, man.
Эй.
I want to hear how Rappy's gonna fast this time.
Короче, ребят, сейчас я тебя прочитаю. Я думаю, что поймете на видео потом.
Let me know if I'm wrong, but is this considered grime?
Let me speak
Like
from my
grime
heart
rap?
right now. Listen, P-Solja, today I'm saying P-Solja. So let me tell you how we're living in this culture. Let me buy you a drink so we can be kosher. Hope you after
English?
gonna fight, buddy. No, it's not
No,
that I'm trying to be nice, sorry. Cool as fuck, or maybe you like funny.
This guy
Yo,
just
fuck, bro,
switched
what
it
do you
up
like,
and went
40?
in English.
Fuck you doing with your life, homie? I'm gonna slaughter you tonight for your hype, dummy.
He
Would you like
knows
this the way you get hype from me?
too.
But honestly, I wish you wasn't on my side, shorty. Yeah, cause man, you're quite ugly. Who the fuck even let them inside, buddy? Jesus, you look and sound like Reza. With accent, without money. Yeah, so I claim your bitch. I inspect her deck. My sword will never turn liquid, so she can protect her neck. Your style ain't nothing to fuck with. In the sense that nobody likes it. You think that you got no. You're just an old dirty bastard. But your confidence is so high, goddamn. Now he thinks that he's fly, oh man. But like the
Shit,
devil's helicopter fam. Motherfucker,
He's
you ain't
going
got
off
no
in 2
fans.
languages.
So listen, bitch, I'm in your kitchen just creeping inside your freaking fridge. Drinking and eating shit.
And the chick in the background, she's smiling. She loves this guy.
Yeah. Cause I like my breakfast first. And you should never cross me. Yeah, you better hush. This is not a battle. We gave you the check and you take a loss. This is fucking gangbang on red double-decker bus.
Oh,
Alright?
shit.
Hey.
Alright guys, so I just showed 2 rounds from each opponent. If you guys want to watch the full video, the link is in the bio. Before we get to the final results, I am gonna give you guys my opinion on who I think took that shit. The lighter skinned dude took that battle because, man, he just came with that speed, those bars, that recklessness, that body language. Now don't get me wrong, P-Solja still came with heat. But the other dude, man, he was just pleasing the crowd, and overall, he was the more aggressive competitor. I gotta give it to him.
Ну чё, ребята, по-моему, это охуенный баттл, согласны?
So he must have said give it up for him, if I'm assuming.
Давайте узнаем, кто вам понравился больше. P-Solja!
What?
Окей. Шум!
That's close.
P-Solja!
This is a close one so far. Oh, I think it's gonna be the other guy, Sue.
Да хватит, ё-моё! Шум!
Sue! I think it was Sue.
Всем спасибо, чуваки! Это был International Clash 140 ppm.
Okay, I think they decided Sue. If I'm not wrong, let me know. Right there wraps up the video, man. That shit was crazy. That was a crazy battle. If you guys have any more battles like these, recommend them. I might check out a few more on my own. If Slice Gang, do your thing. Hit that like on the video. If you guys watch my videos, you're already a part of Slice Gang. But if you want to be part of Sub Gang, make sure you guys hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. This is Jay Ledrick, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's